Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and it is October 1st when I'm filming this, and guess what? The ports are closed. But I guess that's okay because I'm behind in opening my mail anyway. Let's set these to the side. I have Wednesday here. I made her this little mermaid dress, and I thought, you know, she can be in the video too. All right, let's get, oh, you know what this is? This is for you. Oh, it doesn't show what it is. Wait, let me open this and see if I can pull this out and show you what I did buy you. Yeah, see? Christmas train.
Oh, how fun.
And I think I got two. Yeah, I did. See, that's the same. One for Orion. Orion is Darren's oldest son, who enjoys Legos very much. Actually, my middle daughter-in-law also does Lego. She does Harry Potter, right?
Yep, that's her thing.
Harry Potter. And she has an amazing collection.
Actually, she has other things too. She's got the rover, the Mars rover, and and those flowers.
Yeah,
and stuff.
she's got those flowers. They're really cool. It's just fun. Everybody should have a hobby. If everybody had a hobby, they'd stay out of other people's business. Okay, these are belts. I thought these would be cute for my Smart Dolls, not just for their waist, but also as holsters or whatever. I got those, and I love these boots. I'm going to pull it out so you can see. These are, I think they're less than $5, and I just can't get enough because, well, I have a lot of dolls, and I bought another one last night. Actually, Darren bought it for me. I did get the coffee skin tone. I bought Divergence. I love these. I need these for my Tall Witches on October. Which is Tall Witches? That is the 24th, right? At 10 a.m. I put out a challenge from our channel. Anything over 14 inches, dress a doll like a witch. It will be fun. It's really fun to do challenges and collabs because people, and I know I'm one, sit down and they go from one channel to the next with the theme, and it's just fun. You see what different people came up with, and oh, this is a Smart Doll dress. I'm looking forward to these coming. These are really cute. I have something like this in my, for my Blythe dolls. I really like them. Zipper up the back. Oh no, Velcro. I am not a Velcro hater. That's fine with me. That's that new stuff that's really thin. I don't like it as well, but I do like it. All right, so there's that one. I hope that's another one because I did order two. I'm sorry I'm moving slow today. It was a very long weekend. We went to Michigan, visit friends, and have a good time. Oh, I bought another one of these because I could. I have a lot of Smart Dolls, and when you see something you like, buy it and buy two because you might never see it again. And with the prices, sometimes it just, oh gosh, come on out of there. Come on out of there. It's a little outfit, really cute as is. It laces up the side with this in a corset kind of way. It's pleather. It comes with this little, what do you call it? Peasant top, crop top. I used to wear these when I was a teenager. I used to make these and wear them. The other types too, but I had a bunch of those for summer. Then what I really wanted is all this holster that goes with it. Love that. And those were less than, some of them were, I verified on the front page, less than $3, but most of them were less than $5. And I can't make clothes for that. Yeah, here's another one of these dresses in gray. How cute is that? This would be really cute on my, I call her TC, my transcendent, not transcendent,
Yep.
Yeah, Transcendent and Coco TC. All right. That'd be really cute on her. All right. I'm trying to keep it moving fast. Let's see what I did get. Oh, a couple wigs. Oh, that's funny. I'm filming this today. I got these as backup wigs for upcoming collab. It kind of matches, doesn't it? Oh, I might have to try those on. I don't know. I like the wigs they have. And then I got these. These were less than $1. I think these were like 59 or 79 cents. And these I'm going to be using for Puddle in 2025. Puddle is the pull-up con. I call it the con because it is a weekend full of fun, or has been in the past. All right, and then I got a couple dolls, a couple Blythe dolls. I got these on sale. Let's check them out. I'm replenishing some stock upstairs. Plus, the last few years, Darren and I have sent out, yeah, this is her, have sent out Blythe dolls and a little, what do you call it, Happy Mail, and for people to do a collab with me. In the past, we've done fairies and Easter / Playboy Bunny Blythe. I thought it'd be fun to do, oh, that hair's brighter, for sure. That is brighter. Ooh, I want this one. This year I thought it'd be fun to do pastel princesses. However you want to interpret that. And in the past, let's see, I got the bright, we've done another one too, and I can't think what it was. I got the neon pink hair for the fairies. I got the purple hair for the bunnies. And I got this light pink for pastel princesses. I don't know how many I'm going to mail out, and I'm not making any promises because if postage keeps going up, I might have to abort the idea. It's just really gotten terrible. They each have hands. If you've not seen a Blythe doll before, they are whimsical and fun. You can get them just like this for about $15 to $29. Boy, the price has gone up on these too. These were about $15 each. Look at the difference. Can you see it on the camera? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I really am going to grab this girl. Oh, that's really pretty. I love that hair. About $15. You can take their heads apart and do customs. You can change the eye chips or leave them as is. When you pull the string to change their eyes, support their head and pull the string gently but firmly. And there you have it. They have 4 different eye colors and out to either side. That is our haul for today. Thank you for watching. Wait a minute, is that something else? No. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I'll be letting you know more on these Blythe dolls and how we're going to distribute them, because we haven't even talked about that yet. All I wanted to do was to do the pastel princess. Boy, that's nice hair. Thank you for watching.